If you have failed to understand the European accents or European sounds of analysis of the novella A Walk in the Night by Alex Laguma. A Walk in the Night and Other Stories is the novella written by Alex Laguma in 1968 in South Africa during the apartheid era. Dear listener, a special literature followers who study literature in English from Tanzania, students from Student Form 4, and other literature followers from different parts of the Africa and abroad. My name is Teacher Karigodoto Njige, the manager of literature and the young African writer from Shinyanga, Tanzania. Today I have brought to you analysis of the book cover and the title of the novella, A Walk in the Night. Many commentators forget to talk about the book cover, but I, Teacher Karigodoto Njige, have taught you this lesson so that you can understand the content of this novella. The original book cover of this novella, A Walk in the Night, has a black cover with a picture of a person who is the main character, Michael Adonis. The darkness seen on the book cover is a sign of events take place at night. Dear listener, all the events took place at night. That is why the book cover reflects the content of the novella, and the picture of a man wearing a hat, showing a face crying in pain. This picture shows that there is a buying for that person. That is the description of the book cover. Tell me about the title of the novella, A Walk in the Night. Alex Laguma has used a direct title because all the events he showed in this novella took place at night. Number 1. Mick is fired from his job in the metal sheet industry for asking permission to go to the toilet or washroom. Mick is seen wandering around at night, visiting his friends Willie Boy, Joy, and others. Number 2. Joy is also seen visiting at night. He is seen meeting with Mick on the way from Willie Boy. Number 3. Willie Boy is also seen going to Mick's house at night to ask for money. Number 4. Mick makes a scene of killing Uncle Dot with a bottle of wine. He did this with the aim of calming Uncle Dot from crying and blaming the African woman who ran away from him. Number 5. Constable Light and Andres are patrolling at night to protect the safety of citizens, but they seem to be harassing Africans doing business in the city. Number 6. Willie Boy is killed by Constable Light at night after receiving information about the murder of Uncle Dot by John Abraham, that it was Willie Boy who killed him, but it is not true. Willie Boy was seen in the area where Mick lives the day he went to Mick to ask for money, but did not get any help because he knocked on the door of Mick. Mick also doesn't open. He had to open the door of Uncle Dot, who is Mick's neighbor. The door was not closed. Willie Boy, after entering, saw the body on the ground and Uncle Dot dead. He came out running, fearing that he would be accused of having killed Uncle Dot, and he was actually put to sleep by John Abraham. After he saw Willie Boy come out in Uncle Dot. Number 7. Fox gang is doing evils at night. They steal people's property at night, and finally Mick joined this group of thieves. Number 8. African women do prostitution at night, and this is shown by Miss Gibbs receiving 3 white men with African women. I have reached the end of the analysis of the book cover and the title of the novella, A Walk in the Night by Alex Laguma from South Africa. The analysis of this lesson is Teacher Karigodoto Njige.